How to fix Telegram unable to play video issue. Hi everybody. If you're having that kind of issue, you can follow the steps. So let's just jump right in. The first thing you want to check is your internet connection. So for that, you can go ahead and close your Telegram and then head over to the settings. After tapping on it, you should be finding this interface. Now you can head over to connections. After that, ensure that you are connected to the internet that is working stable, because poor connectivity may be the cause of this issue. Another thing you can do is you can close up your settings and try restarting your app. So long press on your power button and you should be finding a restart option on your screen. You can tap on it, and then another thing is you can go ahead and try restarting your app. So close your app and go ahead and open it. After opening it up, try heading over to the chat where the video is and try if that works or not. After that, another thing is ensuring that your app is updated to the latest version. So go ahead and open up Play Store. And after opening up Play Store, you can head over to the search bar in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, at the top of your screen, you should be finding a search bar. In the search bar, you can go ahead and type in Telegram. After that is done, go ahead and tap on the app and then ensure that your app is updated to the latest version. Another great trick is clearing the cache. So you can head over, close the app and head over to the Telegram section. After that, long press on the app, and at the top of the app you should be finding an info section. You can tap on it, and after that this opens up on your screen. Scroll down and here you will be finding storage. Tap on it again, and from storage you should be finding clear cache option. You can go ahead and clear the cache by tapping on the bottom right corner of your screen. So that is it. For now, you can follow up the steps in order to fix the Telegram video not being played, unable to play issue. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.